Right now at 6, a new ruling orders the state to provide more at-home disability services, and North Carolina health leaders are appealing the court's decision. Today, a different plan was laid out to address those concerns. Good evening, and thanks so much for joining us live from downtown Raleigh. I'm Lauren Johnson.
Hi, everyone. I'm Steve Daniels. A state Medicaid program known as the Innovations Waiver lets people with disabilities get services at home. Tonight, we've learned that program has a wait list of more than 16,000 people, some people waiting as long as a decade.
The state Supreme Court ruling gives North Carolina health leaders a 10-year timeline to eliminate that massive wait list and provide more at-home services. Elena Athens joins us live in Raleigh. Elena, it's a firm ruling, but the state is appealing that decision. What are they saying tonight?
Well, Lauren, this is that ruling you mentioned that was issued earlier this month. It details what DHHS needs to do to come in compliance with the state law. DHHS, however, announcing today it is appealing, and the move's a disappointment to some people.
There are people in need now.
This attorney represents Disability Rights North Carolina. The nonprofit filed a lawsuit against DHHS and won. I'm being told those with intellectual and developmental disabilities have been waiting for decades for changes to be put in place to finally choose where they're receiving service. But now, another legal setback, keeping them in limbo.
Without this order, without accountability, we will be asked to continue to wait.
The court order states DHHS has been an ongoing violation of the North Carolina Persons with Disabilities Protection Act, and that it has been, quote, over-reliant on institutionalizing people with disabilities. A Superior Court judge says there should be adequate community service alternatives for those who don't want to be at a state institution. Right now, there are more than 16,000 people sitting on a waiting list hoping to be waived to an alternative setting.
We have got to build more options before limiting others.
DHHS's secretary arguing that more time is needed and that it's working hard on a number of initiatives that will support individuals with disabilities.
While the department is deeply aligned with many aspects of that decision, I have grave concerns about key pieces of that decision that would limit choice for individuals and potentially push over 1,000, if not more, individuals in small community-based group homes and other spaces out of those stable environments that their family members and they rely on every day.
To say that there's still time that needs to be given to come up with a plan, it is disappointing, and it doesn't hold water.
DHHS is calling on the General Assembly to invest more money to help those thousands of people sitting on that waiting list right now. We're live in Raleigh. Elena Athens, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
Yeah, those families filed the lawsuit back in 2017, and the legal fight is not over for them. Elena, thank you.